Hello everyone, this video is about linear search. So this example will explain you how a number is to be searched in an array. So I will be explaining it step by step. The first step is declaration of an array and defining it. So I declared an array ARR and I define with some elements. Then I have declared two variables. First variable is to store the number to be searched, and the second variable to identify whether the search is found or not. So second step is you have to get a number to be searched using an input statement. Now, as the algorithm suggests, you are going to check each and every element in the array. You have to start the array with the position number 0, and it has to end till ARR dot length. Okay, that should be lesser than ARR dot length. The reason is if you have 10 elements, it has to check from 0 to 9. So that's the reason I have put lesser than symbol, and then it will be increased 1 plus 1. Okay, now inside this loop I have used an if statement. So this search is a number to be searched, and it will check with the elements of the array. So first it will check the first value of the array, and if the first value is matching, then it will change the flag value as 1 and then stops. If it doesn't match, it has to continue. So it has to go to the next iteration. So I value becomes 1. So here it will check with the second element, and then it keeps on going till the search is found. Okay, once it is found, it breaks it, and then finally you can see an if statement to check whether the flag value has changed it to 1. If it is changed to 1, then you have to just display the search is successful. If the flag value is not changed till the end, that means if the flag value is still 0, which is as assigned in the declaration statement, then the number is not present in the array. So you have to just display search is unsuccessful. So you are going to compile this program. So no syntax errors. Now I am going to execute this program. Click on void main. Click on OK. Now you have to type the number to be searched. Okay. So I am entering 20. So you can see the search is successful. Now I added some one line there to show you that how the search has been done. So I used a system.println statement to display what are the numbers are checked and when it stops the search. So I am going to compile this. So close, execute the program, and click OK. Now I am entering 20. Now you can see that it is checking the first element, second, third, fourth, fifth, and finally when it checks the sixth element, then it identifies the number is equal. Then only it displays the search. If it doesn't find, if the number is not found in the array list, then it will display search is unsuccessful. Hope you understood this example. Okay, thank you.